All right, guys, let's try another one of the Day at the Ranges Captain America challenges right here. You guys get on this. He's got a lot of different classes, no excuses. You have your sportsman's class. You can get down with your cheap rifles, and it has to be a scope less than 10 power. So 9 power, 4 power, whatever you want to try it with. No bipod, just on a bag or block or whatever. No rifle rest or nothing like that. That's the sportsman's class. You have your semi-automatic class, you have your vintage class, you have your factory class, you have your open class, you have your air gun class. So this is 50 yards. I'm sure you guys know by now right there. Wherever you hit at, I can just give you an example. This one I already shot with a Bruno. Right there. On your rings, it's the high scoring ring you touch right there. So like this is 1, 2, 3. So I touched in there, so I got a 3 right there. For to order, your center one is a 5 scoring one, but you have to be completely inside where blue's all like this right here. Blue's all surrounding it. You can't, be mostly in it. It has to be all the way in it. You see, where's another one out here? I was close to having it. Let me find it here. Oh, right here. Right here at the bottom. Now I can see this one right here. It's almost all the way in there, but not quite. So he scored as 4. So 50 yards. It's fun to do, guys. So get into it for sure. I'm going to use the Bergara B14R. I'm going to do a couple sider shots. It's got an arc and scope on it. 6 to 24 with 50 first focal plane. It's got a Trigger Tech trigger in it. So let me pause you here, and we'll set you up in the spotting scope. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to do a couple siders up there. You're allowed 2 siders. If I didn't say I'm using blah 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 blah. Lapua Center X. Gonna change magazines here. It's kind of warm out here today. Not too windy. My phone said, "What the heck's going on here?" Whoop. And guys, I had one to feed. Let me change over to a different round here. Usually I don't have a problem with the big arrow feeding. Okay. Let's get started here. Not too windy today. What the heck? Didn't feed into the chamber. I tried again. Where did that one come from? Switching mags here. I had that one way out there in right field. I don't know what it's all about. I'm going to concentrate more on my shooting or the sweat dripping on my forehead. Last row. Okay. Let me take a look at there. Yeah, let's pause it and bring it up here and we'll score up. All right, guys, let's take a look at it here. Down there in the first row here, we got 4, 5. You still see the blue in there. All around there, we got a 5 there. 4, 4, 4. Got a 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, still see the blue right there. 4, 5. I look this one real close. You can still see the blue, a little bit edge of the blue right there. 5, 4, 4, 3. I don't know where I come from. Yeah, 4, 4, 4, and 4. So it gives the first row score 21 and 20, 22, and 19. Total of 82. I beat my Tika score. So you see that's Bergara B14R and Center X. All right. Yeah, geez, I wish I got that one more right there, but you got 83 right there. But what it is, I'm happy with that. Guys, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you next time. Oh, hey, before I get out there, once again, right there, get involved in this, guys. If you don't want to make a video, you can just take pictures and send the pictures too. So, any gun, any 20 rimfire gun you want to try. All right, guys, that's, Day at the Range, or Mr. Revolver Guy at dayattherange.com. Yeah, go in there, you can get all the targets and stuff. All right, we'll talk to you next time.